Now let's see the details of it. You can see that the wallet address that we have used to interact with, this is the contract address or smart contract address, and let's click on it to see that from this address we have created our smart contract, and from this address we have made our first NFT. Now let's see here again. Okay, now let's mint it again to see this condition. Okay, here it is. Okay, so let's confirm it and see. Let's do it again. So here it is. You can see the message, only one NFT allowed per user. So I think we haven't set the correct value first, that's why. Okay, so it's basically less than equal to sign, so that's why it's allow us 2 NFTs. Okay, first one is for 0, then it was 1, so that's why it allows us to mint 2 NFTs. Okay. So this was the correct condition. Okay, so I think that's it. Now follow the instruction. We need to submit this in this form. What we need to submit? We need to submit the contract address. So here it is. There is the contract address that we can paste here. You can fill other information. Also provide your wallet address in which you want the NFT from Alchemy. So this is it. One thing that I want to add in here, that here I think that's the final one. Yes, here it is. There's a smart contract that we have deployed last time, just to compare it. Here it is, copied. Yes, so here you can see that